Hey, Jason with Fender Garage, and we want to talk about dome lights for your 1953 to 1979 Ford trucks, right? Yeah. There's a lot of trucks that fall into that category, but we have dome lights that work for everything. But the reason why we came up with dome lights is because we needed a brighter light, especially when you get into these old pickup trucks and that tiny little bulb in there is just not bright enough. You can't see anything. And everybody's used to having LED lights and bright. And so several years ago, we came out with some cool products. And so we want to show you in this truck, pretty much every Ford truck and Chevy truck in our shop has them in it because it makes a massive difference when you're trying to drive at night and open the doors and be able to look inside it. So let's go check this out. We're just finishing this truck up, pretty much wrapping up the interior, but let's go take a look at it. All right, so this actually has two dome lights. These are our 53 to 56 dome lights. We've got it in black just to kind of make it disappear on this really dark suede ceiling. It's kind of cool. We've got these installed so that we could kind of keep a little bit brighter in here. We wanted one in the back so that you could actually see in the back. So available in 1953, 1956. We also got them in 67, 72, 73, 79. And then for the 57 to 60, we actually been using the 73, 79 one because it's just a little bit smaller. Looks kind of cool. The interior turned out pretty cool. We're just finishing up. We actually got an AC unit here, and then we also got an AC unit here. So if you check out these little vents right here on the side, you'll actually kind of see what we did there. But super cool. We're super excited about it. Let's go show off the rest of them on the table. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so here's what you get. So this is your 53, 56, and pretty much the same thing, other than, you know, you're not gonna have a switch like the original ones had. You're just gonna have to use it off your headlight switch. And then you're gonna have a power and ground that you're gonna need connected, and then you got this dome light, and then you got this white lens that you're gonna snap in here. I'm not gonna snap it in right now because then I gotta get it out. And then you're gonna move over here where you've got your 73, 79, and then you got your 67, 70, well, I guess that's 64 to 72. So this works a little bit earlier. They started those a little bit. And these, you're gonna peel this off and there's gonna be a matte white lens there. And so these are just gonna connect. This one's a little bit different due to the mounting application here. You have your power, and then you're gonna have to actually connect this wire, and we've already got a terminal end on it. You're gonna have to ground this out as well because you're going to have to use these for mounting holes. And so they're going to come with nut certs and, you know, different applications. They do come with some electrical fittings in there just to kind of help you get that installed. So 3 different eras here. We don't have one specifically designed at 57 to 60 because there hasn't been a lot of demand. But if you make enough comments down in the bottom, if you really want one, we might be able to get one made. I think we're to that point where the fridges and stuff are starting to become much more common, and a lot of people are really excited about all the Ford classic trucks. So super cool. 53, 56, 73, 79, 64, 72. They're available in polished, brushed, and cerakote black. And so it's kind of a satin matte black and looks super cool. Go check them out on our website. They're available. We keep them in stock, all 3 finishes, and they usually ship out within a couple days. Light up your project. Keep following along. We'll have more products that we'll be releasing over the next several weeks, and you're going to pay attention to all these little cool parts that are coming out for your classic pickup truck. We'll see you next time.